Guys, if you can tell me what kind of bug... Wait, I gotta find it in my camera.
Yeah.
Those are...
Right. I can get some gold strappy heels. Or a rainbow.
Look!
Yes, ma'am. And it's the shoe time over there by the rainbow.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am just out enjoying and clearing my mind and doing what I need to do for self. I'm out here with my homegirl. Shouts out to her. That's my girl. Love you, Red. Just needed some me time, so I came out here. And yeah, that's what's been going on with life right now. It's kind of hard to make videos staying with my mother, but it is what it is. That's why I'm out here now at this lake making you guys a video. So my page is actually under construction. That's why I haven't been posting. I'm trying to get my stuff together for my thumbnails and getting me an intro video and doing what's just visually pleasing for my videos and try and give you guys better content. I am just starting out, but it's not an excuse anymore. I've got 30 plus videos, don't have that many subscribers, I'm getting plenty of watch time, but you know, we've got to grow our channel in every aspect if I'm gonna do anything like that for my kids. And you know, it just is what it is. I hope you guys like those little snippets of the animals prior. If you guys know what that big black thing was, comment down below. It looked like some kind of worm or leech, and I want to know what it was. It definitely liked being under the rocks. And then I found a bunch of tadpoles, and they are just all up and down this side. Like everywhere you walk to, you see none but tadpoles. It's great. I love nature. My goal one day is to buy enough land so that I can just, you know, detach. I want to buy some acres, preserve the land, lake, animals, all of that. All the good stuff, you know? But yeah, once... Oh, dragonfly. I almost stepped on it. But yeah, once I get that together, I'll be posting more frequently. I do have a cooking vlog that'll be coming out very soon, probably tomorrow or the day after. I just been kind of going through it, had to reset my phone again, people, again. I need to hurry up and get me a camera and the supplies that I need. Do you feel me? But yeah, how has everybody been? I've been good for the most part. Trying to find me some source of income so I can provide for my babies, of course. And yeah, that's just, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Now I want to try and skip rocks. Let's see if I still got it. I gotta find a good rock first. What you guys been up to? How has your guys' days been? What do you think? You think that's a good one? Yep. Whoop. Okay, I'll hit you guys back up when I get in my car. I'm gonna enjoy this. Here's one more for you guys. Okay, good morning everybody. It is the next day. I realized I didn't put an ending on my video. So really, yesterday just went to go clear my head. Went with my friend. We just needed some fresh air, you know, just to get away from where we're at for a minute. Excuse me, I just woke up, had to get my boyfriend to work, so I'm gonna go home, get myself together, do a hair video. I have a hairstyle I want to do. I think it's gonna be really cute. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go home and do. I'm gonna get this video edited real quick while I'm sitting here. It shouldn't take too long, just a little quick 5-minute video for you guys, because I know I haven't been posting. I'm trying to really get my thumbnails and my intros video together, and it's kind of difficult for me anyway because I'm trying to do it all on my phone and it's really hard to edit on my phone. So yeah, but I'm gonna get you guys your hair video. Got a cooking vlog coming up. But that's it, everybody. That's all. I will catch the squad in my next video. Peace.